You may want to import data from an Excel file into an existing application. Make sure you're logged in as the account administrator, and once in the builder, hover on Applications, click on the gear icon, and select Import Data from Excel. This will start the Excel import wizard. And first, select your file. Next, your data will be presented to you in columns, which have been analyzed by Kohezion and now have an assigned field type. Note that since you're importing the data to an existing application, it is extremely important that each column has a data type that matches the one in your application. Once you've checked that everything is in order, you can select where you're going to be importing your data to. If you leave this unselected, you will be creating a new application. In this case, we don't want that, and we want to import this data into the Orders project. In this last step, we have to map the Excel columns to the application fields. If the fields and the columns have the same name, Kohezion will map everything automatically. And remember that mapped columns and fields have to have exactly the same data types. Once you click on Finish, you will start the data import. And now if you go check your data, you can see that the new data has been imported into your existing project.